Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Netlify using identity verification for deploys, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Netlify account. Navigate to your site dashboard. Select the site you want to authenticate with. Go to the Identity tab in the site settings. Click on the Enable Identity button. This activates Netlify identity for your project. Next, configure your identity settings. Choose whether to allow access to everyone or only invited users. For a more controlled access, select Invite Only. Save your settings. Now, click on the Add Staff button to invite users. Enter the email addresses of the users you want to invite. Each invited user will receive an email with an authentication link. Instruct your users to follow the link to verify their identity. Once verified, they can log into the Identity UI. Next, go to the Deploys tab within your site dashboard. Click on the Continuous Deployments section. Choose your preferred Git provider. Follow the prompts to connect your Git repository. Once connected, ensure that your builds are set to trigger on Git pushes. You can also deploy manually using the Deploys button. To test authentication, create a new branch in your repository. Push changes to this branch. Watch as the deployment process kicks in. Once deployed, access the site using the provided URL. Navigate to the authenticated area of your site. Log in with the identity credentials. Verify that the authentication is working correctly. You have successfully set up authentication with Netlify using identity verification for deploys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.